Hey everybody, so I just wanted to make a quick video. If you have a stuck fuel door that won't open on different vehicles, but specifically a Crown Vic with the electronic fuel pop button, this guy right here, I seem to have got it fixed so it works now, but if you can't even get it open, I just have a pocket knife here. And if you look down in here, yours should have a little bit of play like this, but if not, you can maybe pry it away. But there's the black catch right here. If you can see that, you can probably see it better in person, but you just catch that and pull it. And how this works is there's a little black tab here, a metal tab with a hook on it, and that catches on this when you close the fuel door. And then in here, it's getting a little dark. But there's a cable that's controlled by its electronics and is connected to that button there. So when you push the button, it pulls this and releases it, and then your fuel door should pop open a little bit. So your fuel door is actually like spring loaded shut, but there's just a little bit of action that when you pop that button, it'll just release it, and just enough to unhook. Now, if yours isn't working like mine was, I'm going to push the button here. So that's about how much it should come open, and then you should be able to unhook it. Now mine was just not doing quite enough, and most times it wouldn't open up. So I just took a little WD-40 and went back here, sprayed this spot here just to make sure that I could lubricate this. It seems to be moving a little smoother now. But then in here, I know it's hard to see, but the cable here where it goes into the grommet here, just spray that a little bit, and it seems to be working good. So anyways, hope that helps somebody. I know this will probably work for other vehicles as well, but thanks for watching.